Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Denver and welcome to Devster. So for today, it's gonna be a supercar Sunday vlog. Just a short vlog with me and my family and friends. We're just gonna have breakfast in BGC. So see you there. Bye. So now we're about to leave and we just brought these 3 cars. That's Kijan. Say hi, Kijan. This is mommy gonna drive the Z and daddy's gonna drive the Supra. We're about to leave, so see you when I'm with the boys. We're now with the boys and nagkakaproblema yung Porsche ni EJ, ayaw mag-start. Well now, yan, nagpapagas lang kami and sila Marky, you know, that's Jovi, Marky, and si Porsche guys, si EJ. So the Porsche is having mechanical issues. It won't start.
Ang nakalagay dito time na power na ano, M7.
Yeah. So we gotta really wait. We're calling Motolite. Mainit pa ba?
1 hour later.
Okay guys, yun na, nag-start na yung kotse ni EJ, yung Porsche. Dahil si Marky, kami, daddy, si Joby, and father ni EJ dumating din. So ngayon, alis na rin kami. Guys, so yun. So I'm driving the Z. So papunta na kami BGC, Burgos Circle, para mag-karmit. So we're now here at BGC. Ito na po yung buong pwede na maging car meet. Car meet na to pre. Sobrang dami natin eh. So we're now in Fundy Close in Burgos, diba? Burgos Circle. And we will eat breakfast. Brunch. Okay. So right now, we are going to STX and we will just hang out with family and friends. So, see you there. Bye-bye. Wala lang, tatambay lang kami dito for a bit. Tapos, uwi na kami. Sige, bye.